Hey guys, we have our own thunderstorm. I'm gonna be scared to shitless. Scared shitless right now because of that. Oh shit, I can tell. What's coming? Did you hear that big thunder?
Yeah. Thunder is just noise.
Yeah, but it scared the poop out of me.
But you should have heard the ones I heard. The ones I heard were longer than ones I just heard. The ones you heard. And way louder.
I haven't heard one of those in a while. That's why I got so freaking scared. I hate you. Look, look. That's today.
I hate you for eating all the buttercup.
Don't get it wet.
I'm bringing my jacket.
I said don't take it outside.
I'm not gonna get it wet.
Piss me off, boy.
That's why I said I'm taking my jacket.
Hey, Zachary, take the trash out, please. I can't push it down any further. You take the trash out or you give me my phone back. Abraham, give me the milk out of there, please. I'm getting a pig out of myself.
Pig?
A pig out of myself.
How?
So I'm hungry.
Yeah, that gold car's nice. Nice rainbow. Nice rainbow. Go, go, go. Double rainbow! Amen. It's a double. It's fading. Bro, I don't know if you can see that, but there's an extra freaking rainbow. Look, that one. That one's fading away faster. Abraham, you gotta come look at this rainbow. I mean, you can see the whole thing from here.
Oh, there's.
Don't you see the double?
Yeah, but you guys probably wet.
Oh my God.
What?
I see leprechaun. Can you guys see that?
Go over to it.
I can't. It's behind Marshall's.
What? Zachary, it's on the screen. Zachary. No, Zachary.
Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Record me. No. Yeah.
It's hard to see it through the camera. Oh, cool.
Hey, Mom, get ready.
I'm getting ready. Zachary, hurry up. I'm looking at the final rainbow. It's fading away quickly. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? I zoomed in on it.
Look at that side of the rainbow.
What? That's all the way behind you, right?
This is sick.
I wanna play some Stop and Surrender.
Pause the video.
It gets kind of
Oh
easy.
my god, bro. It was freaking awesome. Abraham, look, it's getting on this window. It barely gets on this window ever.
I see the rainbow even more.
That's sick. You can actually see the red, orange, yellow, green, blue. And then I can see the purple. I don't know about you guys, but I can. I don't know about you guys, of how long you gone with that side light, this side dark. And with two rainbows. And that. Oh, ow, I felt hail. Dude, like right now I can see, I saw just like a storm chaser, like right now just go. Now I'm starting to see the purple a lot. I never seen a rainbow that freaking bright. Bro, it's fading on that side if you can't see. It's fading on that side. But that side, dude. That side, oh my gosh. Bro. I don't, oh my fucking god. My light source is getting cutched up through the clouds. Oh god. Still nice. type of double rainbow. Here we go again. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Long time no see, or hear. Yeah, you're looking at a double rainbow. There's the start of the double rainbow. There's the end of the first rainbow, all the way to the brightest part where I can see the purple now. I saw that, Ian. Nice. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see rain falling. God, are you done bowling now? This is freaking sick. This is in my backyard, dude. Look at those birdies. Yeah, you guys probably saw that. Breaking down, I see. Dude! Oh my God! Abraham! No, the double rainbow is starting to show its other side and its top.
Don't care.
Guys, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a big tornado. No, I'm serious, Aram! What the fuck is that? Those are freaking angels! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my freaking God! Oh my freaking God! Where'd they go? Bro, I don't know if you can see, but the double rainbow goes all over to its end. I just saw angels.
Hey, you need to shut that back door, baby.
No, there's a double rainbow. No, it's gone. I hate it. No, I'm playing. But since I am a vlogger, and a hoper that I didn't get bird poop on my head, let's go. This is it. that was like right above me and went like. This rainbow lasted for about a couple of minutes. Give or take. Jerk. Can you see all this? All the shiny stuff on the ground. I was gonna say charge when I knew it was coming. So yeah. Some weird noise. And from the start, I knew that some code was missing. And 3, 2, 1, he will reborn his ball. I just saw this huge bolt of lightning, and you don't know because you are so blinded. Free! That's funny. Dad? Why?
You'll find out.
Okay, I'm going.
Oh, don't, no, that's Slender, that's Slender.
Don't know, guys, if you can hear the wind. Right now, it's pretty strong. Smells good. Day 33. This trapped in this hunk of joy. I know. I was just wondering if your power went out. Because my light power went out. Okay, because... Did you hear the first thunder? It was wicked. So, I know how you got sick. Thomas brought you up to the mountains, and then all of a sudden, started pouring.
That wasn't how I got sick. I'm not sure.
Well, AJ said it just all of a sudden started pouring.
It started pouring, but like, that's not how I got sick. I was sick the morning before we went to the mountains.
Bye.